rubber seal. Now, I don't want to start prying, but I might try something. The plastic's supposed to come off, and the screws behind it, or what?
Don't know.
We should go to the internet and see if there's anything on this.
There's gotta be a way in there.
Let's start looking at it from this side.
Nope.
If I press on the buttons, does it try to come out? There's your backup battery.
Where?
The backup battery right here.
Cool. Huh. Well, this is how to avoid the warranty. Right here. It's a good lesson.
So there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 big screws, and then 2 small screws for these little covers so far, and then this thing for the antenna, this antenna jack right here.
Yep, the external antenna jack.
So I want to go look up, see if there's anything else on this before I start prying, because I think it just will pop out. I don't see any fasteners. See this black plastic, some fasteners behind that. The whole thing is just sitting in there.
Okay.
Maybe that's what it's gonna do. Oh, so the black plastic thing is holding it in. It's gonna snap out. What's that noise?
I don't know. The wind. Possibly.
So I got this little tab came out. That's coming off.
Oh yeah, nice.
Got the one on this side. Okay, yeah, I see it right here. Black plastic tab. Pop this out. Ha. Oh, there's some white clips here. Maybe I don't do the clips yet. Maybe the whole thing comes out now.
Yeah, all moves.
Here it goes. Not even prying that hard. It's very delicate.
Oh shit. There's the receiver. Oh cool. It's red.
Alright, so the button,
There's the problem.
press that in, it's going down, so if we're looking at something on here, it's not working, that switch.
It's not touching it.
Should clean off the screen.
Probably.
The inside and that there too. Cool, man. Okay, it's time for a break.
Yeah.